Oh, nothing gives me more joy than busting my ass. And here I've got a good one. This truck, obviously I was talking about the transport. This truck is going to start its transportation journey now. Obviously January 1st, good time to start the business or start picking up the business. But I got to get this thing off, and this car has been the bane of my existence because I've been talking about getting this thing done for a minute, and all it's done is made that truck look worse. And just breaking by osmosis, I guess. I don't know why this thing is a flat tire, but it's fitting because this thing looks like a piece of crap. So my truck, if you remember, and here's my silly hat, my truck, if you remember, obviously the ugly truckling, it looks like it's going to cost a pretty penny to fix, because on top of doing the $4,000 injector service, I'm now swapping the heads, because when they drilled it and tapped it after breaking the stud off, or the bolt off that was holding the head on, when they put the injector bracket back on, they drilled it, they tapped it sideways, and then now ultimately yada yada yada, you need new heads. So when I get that done, luckily I got my new truck. When I get that done, I was going to put this on and bring it up to Tommy's, and that's what's been holding that up, because I've been waiting on that truck for a minute. Now I'm gonna have to get this car from that bed to that bed, and I don't have a winch installed on that yet. My other truck's got the winch, so it's nice and easy. Here I gotta try to use gravity. So wish me luck. This is called docking nowadays. You're good, keep coming back. See, the problem is I gotta cover that delta, because to make something go up. Good there. We'll use those ramps, I'll pull those out. I mean, luckily, if I get enough steam, I don't know, this is not gonna be fun. Why do I do this shit to myself? This car sucks. Can't wait to get this thing done. But in order to get it done, I gotta figure out what of this shit is good or what isn't good, so I can order the parts, and then we're gonna have a build-a-palooza and get this damn thing put together. It's not gonna have body panels on it, but at least it's gonna run. And we can drive it. Maybe not in the street though. Maybe. No promises. All right, let's see what we can do here.
Gary, I want to stay there. Let it go, let it go. No, because that tire's flat, it's going over the hump.
Grab him.
One day! This is so safe. Where's that piece of wood?
Yeah, throw a piece of wood there.
Oh, it's jerry rigged.
It's not jerry rigged, it's Ferretti rigged.
Yeah, Jerry got nothing on it.
Jerry ain't got shit on me.
There you go.
There we go, a little squat.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Keep them pulling. No, keep them pulling.
Oh, yeah, I got it now.
Good.
Hold on, you guys need to go over here so you can see this. See this magic.
Oh, should have just went home.
All right. So now we're a little too close to this side here. And this isn't getting us the desired result, right? We're using the come along to get it up here. But we get to test out the roll cage, and we'll hook it up to the roll cage and gank it sideways.
Yeah, that's gonna work.
I like the keys in it, Cosmo. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, let's go.
The 488's got a tow hook.
Oh, that would be cool.
I'm okay with it.
That's more exciting, dude. Is it in the car, the tows?
Should be. You got a box full of them sitting over there. But what's the last car in the end that you pulled in?
Oh, I have an X3. We can use that.
Yeah, but that's not as fun. We might as well just use the Range Rover then.
Oh, get the Range Rover.
Yeah, you got it.
All right, stand by. Enter player 2. I mean, luckily, once we get it on, it's easy to get off. We just roll it off. But I have a winch plate here, like underneath here. This is reinforced for the winch, like on my truck. I just haven't installed the winch yet because I'm cheap.
Come back! Come on!
Good. I'm gonna fall on my ass. All right, we can only pull one way, so don't go too far. Oh, are you just gonna ratchet it, or you want to?
Yeah, I'll pull it.
Yeah, I was
That's
just.
good, Gary. Lock that thing. Hold up, hold up. All right, chick. Drive forward. Roll the window down so you can hear us. Roll the window down so you can hear me. All right. Keep it coming. Keep it going.
Wait, it's going forward a little bit, but keep going a little bit. A little bit, you know what? A little bit more, and then we'll be good. Good.
That's good.
Got a little too far, but all right.
Oh, yeah. Just go over, Rob. What the fuck?
Oh, Robin back there?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, there you go. Good. Keep going.
Keep going.
Yep. Good.
Hit the camera, bam.
Good. Let me throw. Here I am trying to use the come along, and you guys are just pulling it back.
I guess that makes more sense.
And like that, we got a strap on it. Next stop, Fayetteville. If you guys want to use for transport, just hit me up or check the link in the description. I'll put a contact email or a phone number for Manny, and he'll be able to get you where you gotta go. But this thing is getting a little bit closer to being less of a pain in my ass, although I feel like it sounds easier than it should be. Look at all this weird stuff. That used to be a milk truck of some sort. All right, I'm out. Later. All right, nothing's ever really that easy, right? Like, oh, that was not the worst. And then as I'm walking over to go do something with the truck, I'm like, yo, who damaged the truck? Right? I'm like, how the F does that happen? And then you start thinking like, what? Like, that's such a weird spot for damage, especially with no, like, side. I mean, you know what? Maybe there's a little bit of a side impact. But I looked at it and I said, whoa, maybe somebody just went, pow, because that's like about the, it's more, you know what? It's not a side impact, because this wouldn't be caved in like that. It would have dragged along and hit that light. So whatever it is, somebody kicked in the side to be a dick. And now, see, you know what? Now this has got to be replaced. I wonder how big of a piece this is. But you can't have nice things in this world, man. This truck's been parked on the side of the building for a minute. Just a little bumper rotor stuff. But who knew? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. You've got this evidence here, because it does have a wrap on it, this little white mark. Either evidence of an impact, but you would see, because the truck is dirty. I don't know what this impact is. I think somebody hit something, or somebody kicked it in. I don't know. That sucks. There's your bonus material. I owe Chris Shaler a fender, because technically the truck's under my watch. Good stuff.